What's up guys? Today we're gonna be starting another video where we're gonna be installing something on the Miata. I've been wanting to install this mod for the longest time. Literally it's like one of the first mods I was looking at because it was really cheap and easy to do. It was so like minuscule that I low-key never did it basically. But my birthday came around and Derek bought me this part from Carbon Miata. They sent us this extra badge and the part is door bushing. Apparently the Miata's doors are very light, so putting these door bushings on somehow make the driving experience better. I don't really understand how, but we'll see if it's true or not. So let's get to installing these door bushings, bro. So this is just the door bushings before. It's what it sounds like when you close and open it. So and then we'll play a clip of it afterwards once we're done installing it. But yeah, it's like super easy install. You literally just unscrew these and then screw in some other door bushings and make sure it lines up properly. So it'll be really easy tonight, and then we're gonna do some test driving. I'll see if it actually feels different or not. I low-key doubt it because I have coils on this, so I don't think it'll make that much difference, to be honest. I think if you want a real difference and you already have coils, you'll probably need to put like sway bars or something in the front, but I heard it's low-key a pain to install. I do want to install them, but later, bro. Relax. We got door bushings today.
You think it'll actually make a difference, Andrew?
No.
Jason?
I don't know.
All right, so I just installed the bushing. So we're gonna hear if there's an actual sound difference at all. Let's see, bro. Ready? Quiet on set. I'm not gonna lie, we closed it one time already and I thought there was no difference, but now that I was genuinely listening to it, it's just like a little more solid, if you know what I mean. Let's hear it again. You know, like it has more like of a you know what I'm saying?
It's low-key got like a deeper thud to it.
Yeah,
like it's more solid thud.
That's like
Yo,
we're gonna do the other side now, and then we'll do a test drive.
A few moments later.
this guy already lost a bolt.
How is that even possible, bro?
Every single install, no matter what it is, always turns into like an hour-long, 2-hour-long install, even if it takes 5 minutes. Here we go.
I actually don't know where it is.
It's in there?
This guy, man. I mean, my fault. This freaking guy, man. It does sound like, genuinely, it does sound like deeper, like a.
We should have left that one on and did it like it's,
Oh,
true.
did he?
yeah. He did.
God did. Nah, but we're gonna drive the car to see if there's any differences. I low-key doubt there will be because I feel like the coilovers will just do it all, basically. But apparently, people on the forums say that it actually makes a difference. So we'll see, bro. I gotta turn it down so we can film the drive, because that's what this is about.
What are we feeling for? Body roll?
I'm feeling for body roll.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know. I can't tell.
Body's definitely in here.
Let's see. All right, guys. So we just made it to our destination. Basically, I think that the mod is probably worth it. I genuinely think after driving it for a bit that it made my car like more responsive when I'm using, like when I'm turning and stuff. I thought that it was maybe gonna decrease body roll, but I think that's about the same. It was literally just the responsiveness of when I'm steering, basically, that made a change. So that's pretty much it. You guys should get this mod. It's super cheap. It's super easy to install. If nothing goes wrong and you don't lose the parts that they gave you. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so if you want to see more content from us. And we got big plans for the Miata in the future, bro. This is just some small stepping stones to get there.
Do we, bro?
Relax, man. She said her head was itchy. She had lice, man.
I'm Asian, so I like rice, man.